Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel, and today I'm doing a quick review on NYOTA AI. Now NYOTA or NYOTA, I don't even know how it's pronounced, I hope I'm pronouncing it well. Well, NYOTA AI is an AI powered meeting assistant designed to improve productivity and streamline workflows, particularly for teams involved in sales, project management and customer support. Now let me give a quick review of the key features. The first is the core functionality. You see, NYOTA AI automatically joins online meetings like on Zoom, Google Meet, and Microsoft Teams to transcribe conversations, take notes, summarize agendas, and identify key action items. And the key features include automated meeting notes, generates structured notes from meeting conversations like I said earlier. Action item tracking automatically identifies and highlights tasks and follow-ups. Meeting planning, that's right, or meeting planning. It helps you prepare for meetings with templates and context. Also, we have meeting insights. It provides summaries, key terms, and speaker contribution. Then when it comes to integration, it connects with popular tools like CRMs like Salesforce and HubSpot. Also project management software like Jira, Asana, and ClickUp, and communication platforms like Slack and Notion. Then sentiment analysis. Some sources mention it can analyze the tune of the conversation. Then when it comes to security, it emphasizes data encryption and security standards. Now the benefit is that it aims to save you time on manual note taking and administrative tasks, saves you time on manual note taking and administrative tasks, improves meeting focus, enhances collaboration through shared context, and provides insight into meeting effectiveness. Users have reported increased project delivery efficiency. But the potential drawback is that some users' reviews mention occasional delays in transcription processing and that it might not always handle heavy accents or background noise perfectly. Custom pricing for some plans could be a factor for smaller businesses. In essence, NYOTA AI acts, this was talking about when talking about the pricing, you can see. NYOTA AI acts as a virtual assistant to automate the administrative burden of meetings, allowing participants to focus on the discussion while ensuring important information, decisions, and tasks are captured and organized. It's particularly useful for teams that have frequent meetings and rely on seamless integration with other work tools. Chosen by about 1,000 teams. So you can join some of them already using Utah to manage their projects. You can see them here like Coca-Cola, Magic, Flying Bison, Twilio, and News Corp. So you can get started today for free. Just try the free trial. It's 7 day free trial. Just do it and see if it's really or it says it is.